My name is Oliver. I run a lead accelerator program where we help window cleaners get more sales opportunities, close them, hire talent, all of this good stuff. So I want to show you here the funnel. You can take this, copy and paste it step by step of how we, over the previous month, generated 157 sales opportunities for this window cleaner here in Denmark. Now, I do want to point out that he actually haven't gotten to speak with all of the leads yet. We are quite backed up, so right now we're working on recruitment. But let me give you the funnel anyway. So the end result here is we want a list with date, name, email, number, city, address, and what is the status? Are they closed or not? What have we been able to charge them? How often do they need to be serviced? And what is the recurring annual revenue that we can expect from these leads? Because everything that we're closing here is on a recurring basis. Okay, so if you are getting cleaned with an interval of 8 weeks, well, then it's approximately every other month. Okay, so how do we do it? We use a mechanism first to get in, to basically reel in anyone who's interested in window cleaning. And the way we do that is with Facebook advertising. A lot of you guys might already know it. You could be using Google as well, if that was the thing. But what we're doing here is essentially we're doing a market call out. So this is a Danish video, but basically what he says is like, hey, do you want an offer on your window cleaning in Odsherred, in Roskilde, in whatever city? Then click the link below and we'll reach out to you. Then they click the link, they fill out some questions that qualifies them, like where do they live, what is their phone number, their email, like all of these questions that we need. And if you have if you want to make it more specific, then what you could do as well is you could ask questions like how many windows do you have, what kind of windows, all of this stuff. The reason why we're not doing it here is because most residential people just simply don't know. Like they don't know how to answer that question accurately, so we need to speak with them anyway. Okay? Then they get booked in. So when someone clicks the sign up button and fills out the form, what happens on the back end is that we use Zapier. I believe they have a free plan you can use if you want, where we grab the lead and then we send it to a Google Sheet spreadsheet. Now this is actually an outdated version. We're using another platform now, but I'm gonna give this to you for free because then you can get started. We fill in all of the information and then we send an email to the client so that he knows, hey, this new lead just signed up from this city, this is the address, call them via this number and click this link to update the CRM. And then we send an email to the lead as well, where we just confirm like, hey, thank you for being interested in this. We'll be in touch as soon as possible. And that's it. So the front end of this is literally a video with the offer, very, very simple script. Hey, are you looking for insert service in area? Click the button below and let us give you an offer. That's it, right? It's very, very simple. But what's interesting is that the closing rate, and this is just an average, like, see, he didn't even, we haven't had a chance to speak with all of them yet, so the metrics are a bit messed up, but already now, 33% of these are actually being closed. This means closed deal in Danish, right? 33% of these are actually already being closed. So his closing rate is probably 36, coming up to 40, something like that, which is pretty good for very uneducated cold leads, right? So that's essentially how we are getting that through. I hope this was valuable for you. Obviously, there is a bit more to the setup than this, but these are essentially the 3 steps that we're using. If you want to know how to implement this, comment somewhere, reach out to me. I'm happy to help you. And with that said, I hope you got a bunch of value from this. I have a newsletter, a community where I teach all of this stuff. If you want access to it, just like the guy in the video, click the link below, sign up. I'm going to add you to the list. You can get all of this value straight to your inbox. And yeah, let's help some people. Okay, bye.